Welcome back. I made some sausage and peppers over the weekend. So here we go. I haven't made this dish in quite some time. My friend Dan Soy Cook tipped me on boiling the sausages. Sweet sausages we have here. Sweet Italian sausages. I never boiled them before. I always used to just cook them, brown them in a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, and then I would cut them up. But the boiling did help a lot. Then I used some red peppers and a Vidalia onion for sweetness in this amazing, delicious dish. I chopped them up, put them in my pan with extra virgin olive oil, a little salt, and a little black pepper. And I left it there on low heat to saute till tender. And while that was sauteing, I got a can of whole peeled tomatoes, and I chopped them up, and I put them in my other pan with extra virgin olive oil. The oil got a little bit too hot, so it started steaming, but it was still good. I lowered the heat. And stir that around a little bit. Break down those tomatoes a little bit more. A little salt. A little black pepper. Checking in on those peppers. And now the sausages are ready to come out and be cut in little circles. The whole family enjoyed this dish. I hope you do too. It was very simple. It wasn't even that hard to make. I just haven't made it in so long. I added some red cooking wine to that red sauce. I always add red cooking wine to my red sauces. And add in those peppers. Stir it all together to meld all the flavors together. I added some chopped basil. I didn't have any fennel. Otherwise, I would have added some fennel like my friend Dan did. Then you're going to cover it and let it cook for a little bit more. Let it simmer in there so all the flavors can come together. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you next time.